Hello all. In this video, let's see how this page approval works. This page approval will works synchronization with the Power Automate. Okay, so this is our home page. Now this home page is like a modern SharePoint page, which will be available in the site pages. This site pages will be available in site settings. So this is the site pages. Okay, so if you see here the home page, there is a option for only republish, but we want now the approval button here. So let's check the settings of this site pages first. If you go to the settings of the site pages, which are available in the site contents, and come to the site pages here. So here you can see the settings of this page library. See, normally this approval content will be available here in the version settings, right? So at present it is no. Okay, so let's create one page approval automate flow. Okay, click this automate and click the configure page approval flow. So now it is asking us to create a flow. Click create. So you can see now it's connecting the notifications, SharePoint, and like these four items which are in green mark, and it's good to go. Click continue. So it's asking the flow name. I'm just giving submit SharePoint page for approval and the approver's name. I'm giving my name and click create. Once if I click create, let's observe these document library versions options here. Let's check whether it is configured. It's now page approval flow is created, and come to this document library versions and refresh it once. And if you refresh, you can notice that the required content approval for submitted items is selected as yes. Okay, so now go to the manage your flows Power Automate, and let's see whether this workflow has been created or not. Now you can see in the cloud flows this submit SharePoint page for approval is created. Okay, it's created as a instant. Okay, now go to the home page. Let's refresh this page and let's do some changes. And if you observe here, click edit, and if you click edit, you can observe this submit for approval button. Okay, so let's do some quick adding of items here. I will take two columns. In that first column I will add something text and say like, let's check, and I have added some content in this page, and let's submit this for approval. Okay, click submit for approval, and let's see, it will ask us to add a comment or a note. Okay, click continue, and it's asking a note. Let's add please approve this, please approve this page content. Click submit, and now once we have submitted this page for approval, you can see the review approvals here. Let's see whether it's appearing or not, these approvals. Since I'm the only one who created and approving, so I can see this approval here. Or else you can also see in the mail, you will get an email. See, you got an email here and it's asking us to approve. Okay, anyways, let's approve this from the page itself. Approve. And once if I approve, it's asking us to comment, go ahead. Okay, so we can confirm it, and once it's confirmed, there will be an email again. Let's wait for some time. And just go to this home page and see here published is there, and we got one more email like our SharePoint page was approved and published along with the comments here. Okay, so now if you observe here SharePoint home page here, you can see that it is published. Okay, it's published with some date, it's coming. Okay, this is how we can use page approvals in SharePoint using Power Automate. Thanks for watching.